What is going on, you Brapaholics? I hope you're having a fantastic day. So what we're going to be working on today is the trail boss here. Finally got the last part for it, so we're going to put that in real quick. And then we'll do the seat cover. We'll start putting the plastics back on and should be ready to rip. I should be able to get it done today. And then we'll have Eugene come get it either tonight or tomorrow and get it out of this garage because I need the space. So hopefully we can get this quad done in a snappy fashion. And just like that, the quad is done. Alright, so now that we got the quad all put together, I want to give it one good test run before Eugene gets it back, just in case anything else happens to it. Probably going to ride it for a good half hour or so, maybe less. Puppy. There's a hole there. Is it in gear? Yeah, I'll put her in neutral. Well, I'll wait for that now. Oh, we're not in shape for this anymore, Jesse. And I've been working out. I farted. Before we got that on video. Oh, it's on video. Hi.
Oh gosh. I didn't expect that. I don't know how to fix that.
Well, you gotta pull forward. Straighten it out.
This way?
We can do that too.
Oh, it's straight.
Yeah.
This is easy.
Alright, so turn opposite of what you want. Yeah. And then now turn it the other way. Yeah. So you're not holding it turned, but that you should be able to go now.
I did it!
Yeah. A loud kabanging trailer right there. We're gonna get a campfire going. All right. So we're at the point of popping this off, I hope. Alright guys, it is the next day. Working on the bike still. The whole top end is off right now, so time to start taking the valves out and then put the new ones in and I guess slap everything back together. Hopefully I can get it done by today. Kind of in the middle of all this right now. I'm about ready to put the valves in and the seals. These are the new exhaust valves. So I know it's very hard to see on the camera. And here's the old one. Definitely got carbon buildup on it, but and it's hard to tell. But they definitely look wore out. So I'm hoping this is gonna help fix the issue. Put them side by side. And I think my problem really was more of the intake valves. So these are the old ones. They definitely look way more wore out than the exhaust valves. So let's start slapping her back together. Finally got the valves in. I'm going to clean it up a little bit here. It went pretty good. The decompressor helped a ton. It was awesome. So I'm going to clean some of this oil residue up so I have just a clean slate when I put the new gasket on. And then I'm going to clean all this up so get all the dust out as best I can. And we'll slap it in. I've never really done a fresh valve job with shims before, so I think what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to look it up on the internet, but I'll probably just have to put like the standard shims that they recommend at first, and then I have to slap it all together, check the valve clearance, and then do a shim job after that so it's correct, I guess. So it's going to be kind of tedious. So anyways, we'll clean up the bike too over there, and then we'll start getting it going, and hopefully we can get it going by tonight.
Wait, I'm supposed to stand here.
Oh, you can stand wherever you want. The lighting's good right here. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Finally got the trail boss done. I'm sure he's going to be happy with it. Yeah, hopefully that's going to be the last project for a while. Now that I got that done, I'm probably going to start working on the snow bike project again. But not for a little while yet. But I don't have any other projects in mind for now. So from here on out, it's just going to be a lot of riding stuff. We might be going to the UP here in a couple weeks or so on a camping four-wheeling trip. So hopefully that'll be fun, a good fun time. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Please follow me on Instagram and join the Discord server, and I'll see you in the next video. Look at that shiny helmet. Oh, it took about 20 minutes to get it clean, but finally got it.
Whose fault is that?
The muds.